What's up guys, it's Panda Girl aka Natalie, and today we're going to be making rainbow shimmery lip gloss. So this is a kit that you and your family can afford at any local store. We're going to put it in the description down below so that you can try it with me. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take the lip gloss base and we're going to put it in these containers and mix the food coloring in. So let's get started. Okay, so today we're going to start with the lip gloss shimmery base. So we're going to get a container and a spoon that comes in the set. This base is pre-made so you don't have to use any powders, so it's mess free. So you're going to open up the base. You're going to get a big scoop. About this size. Might need two. So next, you're gonna choose the color that you would like to use. Get the base out the way. Right now, I think I'm gonna use yellow and green. So first I'm gonna make the lighter color. 2 drops should do good at the beginning. Next, you're going to take your spoon and you're going to mix it up until the yellow shows. Put as much drops as you need to make your desired color. So here, I think this will be my desired color. So next what you're going to do is you're going to pick a container. I think I'm going to pick this light pinky color. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a scoop of the lip gloss and I'm going to put it in the container. Whatever design I need. You might need to get more scoops depending on how much you want in there. I'm going to make a few more batches of the yellow. So I finished doing the yellow. So now I'm going to put it in the container. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the yellow on one side and the green on one side so I can make a swirl kind of like what's on the box. I think this is going to turn out really good. I have high hopes. So I filled half of it with the yellow because I'm going to do yellow and green swirl. So I'm going to get a new container so that I don't make a blue color and make it green. So I'll show you when I'm done. Here I'm adding in some green. I'm going to mix it up. As you can see, this green is a very good color, and I only needed 2 drops. So now I'm going to fill the other half of the container. Kind of looks like Tiana colors to me. My favorite Disney princess. So as here you can see, I have the 2 colors on each half. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tip of this stick and swirl it about 2 times. It's green and yellow and I really like it because it reminds me of Tiana. So let's move on to the next lip gloss. So next we're going to do like a kind of water theme one. So let's get started. First I'm going to make a blue. Okay, so I kind of want it to be like a kind of like lighter blue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in less food coloring. 1 drop should be enough for this light blue color that I'm trying to achieve. And this one was inspired because I really love mystical things, and the mystical thing that I love the most is mermaids. So this one's kind of came from my love for mermaids. So first I'm going to kind of do like a tiny section of sand by using the previous yellow that I had. There we go. I think this one's going to turn out good too. Next we're going to take this yellow that I made, this blue that I made, and I'm going to kind of put it next to the yellow. I'm going to try not to make it turn green. This is kind of like a Cinderella blue because it's kind of like shimmery like her dress, but it's also a light blue color. And don't worry, it may seem like I don't have a lot of blue, but that's because some of the water is going to be a bit purpley. So next let's make our purple color. We're going to grab another container. We're going to grab a spoon. And so what we're going to do is we're going to get more base. We're going to get the purple coloring. Here's a nice purple color, so 3 drops for this kind of purple. I'm kind of gonna like swirl the blue and purple up just to kind of make kind of like a cool effect. Put in some more sand, or should I say yellow lip gloss. Here's kind of what I'm doing. And also some tricks. As you saw, I was tapping on the bottom of the food coloring bottles because it helps get like you know how you have ketchup and it's all at the top and you have to hold it upside down for a second? That's kind of what it does to the food coloring. And also I took off the wrappers because it was getting too slippery and I couldn't really squeeze it. Now time for the fun part. So I'm going to take the toothpick, clean it off a bit, and I'm going to swirl just the blue and the purple. I'm going to kind of leave the yellow as a straight line. And here we go. I really like it. I feel like it gives me summery vibes, and I love summer. So let's light it up. And there we go. We have 2 lip glosses finished. Just 1 more to go. My dad got me this kit for my birthday, and I really have enjoyed it so far. I really love these creations that it lets you make, and it lets you be creative and free, and it lets you think. I really like it because when it smooths out, it kind of ombre effects. So yeah. So there's this little flower clip that lets you hang it to bags. You can hang it to a purse, a backpack, pretty much anything. And you can put one of your lip glosses in it. I put my yellow and green one in here. And it's a nice like leathery cloth, so it can last longer than felt or something. And it holds your stuff. You can also, it's kind of like a pocket size, so you can put it inside your purse, bags, or pockets. Like you can take it to school, which you can do it like this way or this way. You can take it to dance, and even if you're just going on a walk. So make sure to always keep your lips moisturized, shimmery, and sweet. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. I hope you like it, and I hope that you can try this at home. It's a very fun hat, and I have some